It's camera day. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, like I said at the beginning, today is camera day. And what do I mean by that? I had a company reach out to me on December 22nd called Insta360. Maybe you heard of them, maybe you haven't. But Insta360 reached out to me on December 22nd and asked me if I'd be willing to work with them doing some camera reviews and using their cameras. And I said, absolutely. So what did they sent me? They sent me the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And a bunch of accessories to go with that. And they also sent me the Insta360 X5 with a bunch of accessories to go with that. And then a couple of universal accessories that I could use between the two of them. So we're going to start with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. We're going to start with that. And then we're going to go over the accessories that they sent me for that. Then we'll go over the Insta360 X5 with the accessories they sent me for that. And then, last but not least, the universal accessories that will work with either camera. So, I've already cut the plastic off all this just to save a little bit of time. But let's get this camera out and we can take a look at it. Now, currently, I'm using a competitor's camera. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. So, as we open up the box, does that look good? Inside of here, there's a mount and a cover for the mic. And this is a magnetic mount for the bottom, which I think is pretty cool. Inside of here, there's your user's guide and a USB-C to USB-C cable, which will be useful for, I don't know, data transfer, for charging it. They did not send me a charger, but that's okay. So here is the camera, which is kind of cool. It's a comparable size. It's a little bit bigger than their competitors. But what this camera does for an action camera that the others don't, we've got a flip-up screen. So if I'm vlogging, I could see on the screen what I'm looking at instead of a much smaller screen like here, which I like. Now, to put your SD card in, it's right where the charging port would be, or your data transfer port. Your SD card goes in here. So just close that. We'll clip that over. Now the battery goes on the opposite side. Just right there, and that's where the battery goes. Speaking of battery, it comes with the battery. So let's put this in, just like that. And here's the mic. You got the power button here, and then your record and stop here. This will also do still pictures, which I'm really looking forward to doing. So now that I got that done, they also sent me some of the accessories. Would be a 256 memory card, 256 gigabit. They sent me two, one for each camera. Really excited about that. They sent me an extra battery, because you can never have too many of these, especially when you're on the road doing some recordings, rallies, things like that. They sent me a nice vertical or horizontal mount, so I could either mount the camera this way or this way, which I think that's important. A wind guard. So if I mount this on the motorcycle, I have a wind guard on there, and of course a nice set of filters, so I could change the front here and put different shades of filters on to give me different effects and different lighting. So if I'm in direct sunlight, I could put a tinted filter on it and it won't be overbearing, which I think is pretty cool. So that's the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Yeah, it's a mouthful. The Ace Pro 2. And just a quick overview. I'm going to be using this on my next video in conjunction with my other camera, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to see which one looks better Hopefully, honestly, to be honest with you, I'm sure they're both good. They're both reputable companies. So let's go ahead and dive into the Insta360 X5 action camera. This is nice because we're recording all 360-degree views. I am not a motor vlogger, but I'm going to try it again since they sent me this. However, I'll have to wait until the springtime because as of right now, we got ice and snow and it's cold outside. But I might try doing some shots in the shop with this as well. So when you open up the package, and this is what you get. And you have the camera. Now, if you remember, like on the X2, there was a small 1-inch window here with the screen. Now the screen is all here. I'm looking forward to that. You on the side here, let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. Just slide it down. You lift it up, and you have the spot for your USB charging cable, which is kind of cool. On the bottom, on the other side, you got a battery, which is really easy to take in and out as you pinch the two sides. And if it's not seated all the way, you'll see that little red tab. So just make sure when you change your batteries or put your battery in that both red tabs are gone. And also you have where the memory card goes here. So that's pretty cool. One thing I don't have for this is the motorcycle mount, which I'm going to have to try and get one. But inside of here, the little box inside the big box. Oh, there's a nice carry case inside of here. Oh, let's open this up. This looks cool. This is the first time opening this one. Oh, look at this. Nice carry case to put the camera in. A cleaning cloth and a USB-C to USB-C cable is also in there. So that's kind of cool. Can't wait to actually start using these things and getting it with it. Doing some recording, bringing you guys some amazing content. So they also sent me another 256 gigabit memory card. With this, they give me a replacement lens. Now the Insta360 X5 is the only 360 action camera on the market right now where a user can replace the lenses. So if you scratch or nick or drop your camera, crack your lenses, if you carry this with you, you'll be able to replace them. Let's open this up and see what it's like. I saw a couple of videos on how to replace it already, and it seems pretty easy. Oh, I need a knife. Hopefully I won't need this at all. Oh, it's got all different accoutrement in here, or different parts. So, look at this. This is pretty cool. I can't wait till hopefully I never have to use this to replace the lens. They have the instructions and everything inside of here. So, you know, you're not for nothing. You're not sitting there going, what do I do? What do I do? Here are the replacement lenses. I'm going to open this one up. They come in a nice little case. Let's see. Nice, huh? I'm going to put that right back in there. And then, oh, let's see what this is. Oh, like a to blow the dust off the lenses. That's pretty cool. I like that. inside of here, disposable gloves. Wow, they give you everything. Some clean wipes, multiple clean wipes, and disposable gloves. Wow, they thought of everything when they put this replacement lens kit together. That's awesome. That's awesome. So far, I'm very, very impressed with everything that they've sent me. Pretty cool. They did send me a second battery because, again, when you're on the road and you're videoing at rallies, events, or rides, you know, you always want to have a second battery. I think it's a good idea. They also sent me a vertical horizontal mount for the X5, a lens cap. Now this is important to have, guys. This goes over both lenses. So if you take your camera and you're stopping someplace and you're going to eat and you're going to put your camera in your saddlebag, or you're done recording for the day, protect your lenses, put these on, and you're all set. Now, that's it for the unique products that they sent me. Now, what they sent me that's universal for both cameras, which I'm looking forward to, is one is a selfie stick, which is pretty interesting. I already have one because I think this is one of the best selfie sticks made on the market right now is through them. And last but not least, they sent me, let me open this up and I'll show you. This is going to be interesting. This will be, I won't say game-changing because I do have one of these for my current camera, but it's a mic Air. That's right, because my current camera has a mic that I currently use when recording in the shop. But you got the user's guide. Comes in a really cool looking case. Let's open it up. And, oh wow. It's magnetic. But that's the little mic. It's got an on-off button right there to turn it on and off. It has the USB-C receiver, so that's how it communicates with your camera setup. And on the other side, they have they call it the dead cat. I don't call it that, but it's a ring that goes around it. Oh, and a charging port and a tether. So if you're riding around, you want to use this, you can. But it's a nice little charging tether port that goes for it. That's all right there within that case. That's kind of cool. I like it. I really do. I really appreciate Insta360 for reaching out to me and sending me all this product. Because with this product, I will be able to bring you guys some pretty cool different angles, different shots, and different types of content in the future. All right, guys, if you have any questions about the Insta360, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer them. I'm new to Insta360. I'm excited about using this equipment. Or if you want to go to Insta360.com and look at their products that they have. I was looking already at their Insta360, I believe it's the Wave. And that is a mic for video conferencing and doing the lives on. And also they have a webcam I'm thinking about getting as well. And that's all that I have for today, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer them. And until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often, and as always, ride hard.